Welcome to episode 14, 13. We are loading a van for a first trip down with the big boxes tomorrow morning. Emma spent the day packing up. The room is looking very bare and let's move.
Use it like that, it's stupid boy.
Why?
You're being silly.
Shush.
See?
Rug. In. How are you feeling about moving?
Excited.
Huh?
Excited?
Excited?
Yeah.
What are you excited about?
Living with you.
That's cute. That's real cute. It's 7:30 and we're in full moving mode. The plan is to pull up the floor in the kitchen because we don't need it anymore. More important things to be doing. Bit of a side quest. Oh, that's quite good.
Yeah, we could just put stuff in it for now.
Evening. You find us on our first official evening staying here at the house nearly 2 years later from when we started all the demolishing and the chaos and the shit roof and the damp and the burst pipes and the knocking down walls. We're probably going to spend the rest of the month unpacking because we've got a lot to, first of all, figure out where things go. There's still quite a bit of work to do on the outside of the house. The garden still kind of looks a little bit like a building site. There's painting to be done on the lower half of the front and the back, but that'll happen in time. What are we up to?
Hemming some curtains.
We're now about, what day is it today? Monday.
Well, have you updated the vlog?
3 nights here. We're just hanging and hemming curtains. But more importantly, a life update from both of us is that on Saturday, something very special happened. What happened? What's that? What's that there?
It's a rock.
Turns out, I'd been planning a master plan for the last 4 months, and Emma and I got engaged on Saturday morning, roughly about 11 o'clock in the morning.
On the 28th of March 2026.
On the 28th of March 2026. But we're hanging and hemming curtains. We've spent 3 nights here, comfy bed, boxes are still everywhere. We've had one minor leak under the kitchen sink. Everything else is going to plan, I think. This is one set of curtains that is finished. Looking good, right? They're not blackout, we didn't want blackout. And we have the semi-finished article. Curtains have been hung. We've just put a rug under the bed and all of a sudden it feels a lot more cozy. Because before this is our view. Which, I mean, it's obviously a banger of a view, but you kind of feel like you're in a bit of a fishbowl. Happy? Yeah?
Yeah.
Cozy?
Yeah.
Ta-da! So the boys have just arrived with the worktop. And here it is. It's exactly the same as what we have in the kitchen. And we've brought it forward to the window. So we've taken out the windowsill that the window people put in. It is 4 o'clock on this Easter Friday. This is our temporary sitting room setup. We've got one armchair and an office chair. The next job is to stick the house number above the front door, which feels like it's going to be quite a complicated process. But do you think we're going to get it in one?
We need to remember that we love each other throughout the process.
Okay, that's what it looks like before. I don't think so.
Let's make sure we don't get locked out. Right. Off the rim. Oh no, we've done it wrong. It's back to front.
Okay, but there's 61. And then you have to what? You have to wait 4 hours to then peel the backing off. We're doing the ceremonial first lighting of the stove. Okay. Let's pop this shut a little bit and see if that picks up. Stove is well and truly cooking away. Now time to take the template off the door number. All very exciting stuff for a Friday evening.
Moment of truth.
Grand reveal time.
Oh, what is this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, baby. Looks so good. Morning from a random Tuesday afternoon. It's not morning, it's afternoon. And we've taken our lunchtime break to put up. What do you call this?
Window frosting.
Window frosting. So now, if anyone wants to use this toilet, you can do so without being watched by all our neighbours, which there are actually quite a few, look.
I know, I've been telling you.
There are so many windows.
I've been telling you when you've been having a shower.
I didn't realise there were so many windows. It is the 29th of April. So Emma and I have been in the house for nearly a month. I thought I'd crack the camera out again because this evening I'm going to be painting the sidewall. I've spent the last couple of days priming it, so chipping away at paint and putting like a stabilising solution on it. Apparently it's meant to hold the paint better than if I was just to paint on top of it. I don't know. It was a £30 pot of stabilising solution. Whether it's a scam, we'll find out. So I'll pick back up in probably 3 or 4 hours for an evening of painting exterior walls. This is life now. Guess I'm a DIYer. So this is the wall I was talking about, which you can see I've filled in quite a few parts. I've got what feels like quite an empty pot of paint, so I don't know how much that'll do. The first on the list is to dig a little bit of soil out just by the bay window. So that is for a leaky pipe to go into, like a holey, or a pipe with loads of holes, because whenever it rains quite heavily, that area in front of the bay window floods. So the idea is to put a holey pipe in there, cover it back up, and then the pipe will hold on to the water and then release it slowly so the ground in front of the bay doesn't flood. Also, if anyone's wondering why I'm wearing a shirt, I don't use it anymore, and it's white. And the paint's white, so I thought, why not have it as a painting shirt? Don't really care if it gets messy, and I look good whilst I'm doing it. Definitely needs a second, if not a third coat, but it's looking a lot cleaner than it was.
This is the TV spot you want.
Good evening. Lounging in your armchair. We've started and we've finished because there wasn't that much to do. But clearing the sitting room, because tomorrow is a very exciting day. We've got our sofa being delivered, which is going to sit right there. So this is what this space looks like without a sofa. Hopefully this time tomorrow there'll be a lovely, comfy 3-seater sofa. Let's show the people the updates since we moved in.
Oh wow.
There's quite a few.
What have you showed though? Door handles?
Okay, quick fire. We bought these door handles.
Okay, should we do that?
Yeah, I told them that. We've got those door handles from Ardingly
Antiques Fair.
Antiques Fair. Lampshades are up. We've got lots of Happy New Homes and congrats on engagement cards. We bought that chair from a outlet selling previous season and scuffed up furniture. It was £10. It's got some stains on it. This weekend we put our railings on and the gate, so feeling a lot more secure. That's an armchair that we got from Emma's mum. This is Emma's work setup. Lots of prints and things to sort out. This is my working from home setup. We actually picked this mirror up today and we plan on putting it above this table as a kind of entranceway mirror. Don't think I have the energy to go upstairs or downstairs, so I'm going to leave you on the middle floor and we'll update you when we hopefully have our sofa. It's arrived!
Since you signed it up, boy. Cheers, guys.
Thank you.
Oh,
Wowza.
what was that on it?
Oh.
Oh.
Never gonna get up. Happy?
Wow. Yeah, and there's definitely enough spaces either side for a little
Yeah.
table, isn't there?
That is great.
We could even move it over a little bit more this way so that they're in the right place.
Yeah. Woo! Okay, we've gone from coffee to spray painting now. We've got this chair that Emma's dad gave us. Is it from your childhood?
It was my bedroom.
It was in her bedroom when she was growing up.
Let's do this.
Which is a little bit worse for wear. So we're gonna, Emma's gonna spray paint it